On the western shore of Hudson Bay lies Churchill, Manitoba, a small frontier town at the meeting of forest, tundra, and sea. Each autumn, it becomes a crossroads for migrating wildlife and the waiting ground for the world's largest land predator, the polar bear. The Arctic hare already wears its winter coat, pure white, blending perfectly with the coming snow. Foxes patrol the open ground, the bright red fox and the darker cross-phase, its coat streaked with black and gold. They hunt hares and voles, caching what they can for the long, dark months ahead. A lone grey wolf strides into the wind. Few are seen here, but their tracks crisscross the coast. The snow bunting is one of the few resident birds, as is the ptarmigan. The willow ptarmigan changes with the seasons, its brown feathers now pure white. Even its feet are feathered, forming natural snowshoes for winter travel. Then, the Arctic's true monarch appears. A polar bear rests by the rusted hull of the Ithaca. Hudson Bay still holds open water, but soon it will freeze. The bears wait for that moment, the return of the sea ice that allows them to hunt seals once again. Until then, they roam the coast, conserving strength through an enforced fast that can last months. Each step carries the weight of hunger and the instinct to endure. A polar bear's nose can detect a seal nearly a kilometer away, an ancient gift shaped by endless Arctic winters. Tourists gather here for a glimpse of this seasonal passage. When bears wander too close to town, wildlife officers step in. Some are hazed away, others tranquilized and airlifted north, part of Churchill's unique coexistence with its wild neighbors. Each operation is both rescue and reminder that tundra belongs to them. Soon the bay will freeze over and the bears will leave, not to return until the ice melts in the spring.